Good afternoon, everyone. Are you all hearing me? Please raise your hands if you are hearing me. You are hearing me, right? So, as per schedule, we are going to have optional mathematics class. And a few moments back, I had already shared you the questions that we are going to solve today. So, let me take it to the board, okay? So, be a bit. So, this is the list of our questions that we are going to solve today, and this is very much important format. And I think you remember it, right? In the last class, in the previous lecture, I had solved a single question of our magic of one format, right? I had told it one goes adu. You remember it, right? So today we are going to solve 4-5 questions related to that format, okay? So first of all, copy this one, and this question is nearly same question as of the previous lecture, right? Question number 1, it says cosec a plus cot a minus 1 in the numerator part, and in the denominator part it is 1 minus cosec a plus cot a, and that is our RHS. Is this clear? So before beginning this type of format, let me give you a trick first. We have a trick. Look at here. Write trick. You can write it at the top of margin as well. For magic of one format. Magic of one format. We follow this rule. There are two rules. If, write the rule, if numerator and denominator both of RHS are complex, change, write it properly, change both one of LHS. This is our first rule. And the second rule is if only numerator is present in RHS, change only one. Oh, it's better, right? Single one. Change only single one of LHS. This is our trick. And with this trick, you can solve any question of magic of one format. The trick says, if numerator and denominator both of RHS are complex, change both one of LHS. And if only one, or if only numerator is present in RHS, change only single one of LHS. This is our trick, and I know you might be doubtful about this, right? So I will explain this to you. This is very simple rule. Have you copied it? Copy it properly, and I'll drop this, okay? And I'll explain this while solving the question. Is this clear? This is our main rule, and with these two rules, all type of question of this format can be solved. You are clear about rule, right? So let's start our question. This is our rule, and these kinds of rule are not written in any kind of book. So please copy it properly, because this will be very much important during your exam days. Are you clear? So let's look at our question first. Our LHS is, write the LHS. Our LHS is, look at here, this is cosec A plus cot A minus 1 divided by 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Now look at here. This is our numerator of LHS, right? And this is our denominator of LHS. Is this clear? And this form is called complex form. Complex means it's look harder while seeing it, right? Because there are 3 terms. Is this clear? And even this looks complex one. And let's look at our RHS first. Look the RHS. Our RHS is, now it says 1 plus cos A by sin A, right? Firstly, look at here. The question is in terms of cosec and cot. But in the right side, there is no cosec and cot. So first convert this into cosec cot. Now it looks like 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A, right? This is very clear, right? 1 by sin, cos by sin. I have just applied a distribution law. And 1 by sin gives cosec, right? It is our cosec, and cos by sign means cot. Isn't it so? Now this is our RHS. What I have done is I have just simplified the RHS. Now look at here, compare these two. This is our LHS, right? And this is our RHS. Now look properly. Can you tell me which rule should be followed? I think the B, right? Second one. Because look at here, in RHS there is numerator only. There is no denominator. You can't say that this is denominator because this won't be proper RHS. Because the question is in the form of cosec cot, but it has given answer in form of cos and sine. First convert the answer in form of cosec cot, right? Now you can clearly see that in our proper RHS there is no denominator. This means this is our second case, right? Are you clear about this? In our RHS we are not having any denominator. So for that we must convert our whole question into cosec cot format to check it. Right? But look at here, look this question number 2. Look at here, in LHS, both numerator and denominator are present, and same condition in case of RHS as well. Look at right hand side, even this looks very much dangerous, right? Both are very much complex form. But in this one, LHS is in dangerous form, right? But look at here, RHS is very simple. So this is our second rule. Is this clear? Just change single one. In this case, we change single one, right? And I think you might not have understood the rule in English. Let me tell this in Nepali. मैले के भन्न खोजे भने नेपालीमा बुझौँ है, अब फेरि बुझ्दैन रे यो त. यस्तो भन्न खोजे आएर यदि क्वेशनमा यहाँ रे यदि क्वेशनमा RHS सिम्पल फर्ममा छ भने RHS सिम्पल फर्म मतलब न्युमेरेटर मात्रै छ भने एउटा मात्रै वान चेन्ज गर्ने, अनि LHS पनि दुई तल्लाको अनि RHS पनि दुई तल्लाकै छ भने अब दुईटै वान चेन्ज गर्ने. बुझ्यौ नि के भन्न खोजे आऊ. अब हाम्रो यो जुन क्वेशन छ, लुक एट हियर, यसमा के छ भने यो तिम्रो LHS भो, अब यो तिम्रो RHS भो. अब तिमीले के भन्न मिल्दैन, LHS दुई तल्ला RHS पनि दुई तल्ला भन्न मिल्दैन हेर, किनभने यो त दुई तल्ला ठीक छ, यो दुई तल्ला हैन हेर, किनभने यहाँ त कस साइन भयो. हाम्रो क्वेशन कसेक कटमा थियो भनेपछि तिमीले यसलाई पनि थोरै कसेक कट बनाउनु पर्छ. जे फर्ममा क्वेशन दियो त्यही फर्ममा आन्सर पनि हेर एक्चुअली फर्स्टमा. अब कसेक कट बनाउने बित्तिकै त यो त एक तल्ला मात्रै छ, खोइ यसको डिनोमिनेटर. अब डिनोमिनेटर नहुने बित्तिकै यो हाम्रो सिम्पल फर्म भइहाल्यो हेर. यसको मतलब के बुझ्यो भने दुई तल्ला मस्ट बी कन्भर्टेड इन्टु सिंगल तल्ला हेर. यसको मतलब एउटा मात्रै वान चलाउने, यो रुल भनेको हेर अघि सेकेन्ड रुलमा. अनि फर्स्ट रुलमा के छ भने यदि यता पनि दुई तल्ला र यता पनि दुई तल्ला छ भने के गर्ने, दुईटै वान चलाउने. यस्तो भन्न खोजे आएर बुझिन्छ है. त्यो भएर RHS एकदम डेन्जरस खालको दुई तल्लाको छ भने के गर्ने, दुईटा वान चलाउने. अनि यसरी यो एक तल्ला हो र यो यहाँ मैले प्रुभ गरेको छु यहाँ, दिस इज आवर एक तल्ला आएर मतलब न्युमेरेटर मात्रै भन्न खोजे क्या, एक तल्ला मतलब ठीक छ है. अनि एक तल्ला मात्रै भने के गर्ने भने एउटा मात्रै वान चलाउने हेर. बुझ्छ है, मजाले बुझिन्छ यहाँ. अब गर्दा गर्दै बुझिहाल्छौ है. ल लुक एट हियर, ल वान चलाउने भने बुझिन्छ, बुझिहाल्छौ एकैछिनमा बुझ्छौ अरे. यहाँ अब के लेखिन्छ त ल, cosec A COSEC. Oh, what the hell is this? COSEC, cosec A plus cot A, right? And let's use the 1. Now the formula of 1 will be, what is the formula? Cosec square A minus cot square A, right? This is our formula. Now you might ask why I am writing cosec cot. There were other options, right? Sec tan is also option, sin cos is also option, because as we have cosec cot in our question, we will use the formula of cosec cot in place of 1. Is this clear? And in the denominator part, we will leave this as it is. We'll leave this as it is. Is this clear? Now this is the rule B. It says if the RHS is simple, then we just convert single one. Is this clear? This is our format. So let's use the formula then. You can keep this in bracket. Cosec A minus plus cot A. This can be kept inside bracket, right? So in this form in red color, you can use formula of A square minus B square. It says A square minus B square will be A plus B, A minus B, right? So it will be now A plus B. Is this clear? And the next one will be A minus B. Is this clear? This is the formula that has arrived from this red part, A plus B, A minus B. Is this clear? Now our denominator is as it is, right? So our denominator will be now 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Is this clear? Now after doing this step, I think we are having something as common, right? Look at here. This part is totally coming out as common. Is this clear? So let's take the common. Now common will be cosec A plus cot A. This can be taken as common. Now use the big bracket. So look at here. You have taken this as common from here and this as common from here. So if you take cosec plus cot as common, then what will be left here? Only one, right? Only one will be left here. And this minus, which I have just circled, this one is here. Is this clear? In red color part, we have already taken this as common, right? So what we have left now? We have just this second part as left. So it will be now cosec A minus cot A, but you must not forget to keep bracket, right? Because here is bracket as well. Are you clear about this? And in the denominator part, we are having 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Are you clear up to this? Should I repeat this? Look at here. We have just copied the RHS and changed the single one of numerator because our RHS is simple form, right? And I have used A square minus B square format. Then I have taken it common over here, right? Now our second last step. Now let me rub the board first. Just a second, okay? I'm going to rub this because these questions are a bit lengthy one. So I have to rub the board again and again. Now the next step will be, look at here. This is as it is, right? But we can open this bracket by this minus. So it will be now 1 minus cosec A and minus minus will be plus, right? So now this will look as, copy this cosec A, oh look at here, plus cot A. Copy this as it is. And the second part will be 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Why there is plus cot A? Because I have opened the bracket, okay? So in the denominator we do have 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Are you clear? This is clear, right? And I think something is getting cancelled over here. These two can be cancelled, right? Because these two are exactly identical. So you can cancel these two. Now we are having just this part left. Now we have cosec A plus cot A as left. Is this clear? Now I think you have got the answer. Are you clear now? So you can, cosec A can be written as 1 by sine A, right? And cot can be written as cos by sine. Now immediately this will lead us to our answer 1 plus cos A by sine A, because as both denominator are same, no need to take LCM. This is our RHS, right? Is this clear? So now you might ask why I have done it, what I have done here, why I had solved it here, to determine whether the question follows rule A or rule B. मैले के भन्न खोजे भने मैले यो किन यहाँ सल्भ गरेर देखाएको हो भने गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि तिमीले यस्तो फर्मेटमा के थाहा पाउनु पर्छ भने कि यसमा तिमीले रुल ए फलो गर्ने कि रुल बी फलो गर्ने त्यो थाहा पाउनु। यो थोर मैले रफमा गर्दै अघि यो ठीक छ, यो एन्सरको पार्ट होइन रे। यो यहाँ मैले कि आरएचएस लेखेर यो थोरै सल्भ गरेको थिएँ र यो किन गरे भन यो तिम्रो थाहा पाउनलाई कि क्वेशनमा कुन फर्मेट लगाउने बुझिन्छ नि। अनि हामीले थाहा पायौं भएर कि फर्मेटको बी रुल लाउनु पर्ने भयो र अनि हामीले यो सबै अब के गर्यौं भन बी रुल लगाएर सल्भ गर्यौं भएर। यु आर गेटिङ इट राइट? सो दिस इज आवर final answer. Is this clear? If you are having any kind of doubts, you can ask me personally in messenger, okay? So can I rub the board? I can rub it, okay? Thank you for your gesture. Now copy the second question. Copy the second question. It says cosec A plus cot A minus 1 upon cosec A plus cot A plus 1, and here is your is equal to sign, and our RHS is 1 minus cosec A plus cot A, 1 plus cosec A minus cot A. Now this is our format A, right? Rule A. Because both numerator and denominator of RHS are complex. While you are copying this, I think I should rub the board. So let me rub the board. You have copied it, right? Let's do the question number 2. Now it is also very interesting. right? Let's write LHS first. Cosec A plus cot A minus 1, right? And in denominator, cosec A plus cot A plus 1. So look the question carefully. Can I solve it now? Just look at the question first. Look at here. Let's look the RHS first. Look at this. The numerator is very much complex one. And same in case of denominator, right? So in this kind of condition, we will follow rule number A. This means now we have to change both one, even this and this. This both one will be changed, okay? What is the problem? I think someone has messaged me. Any problem there? के समस्या भयो भन है के समस्या भनिहाल के समस्या छ र छैन होला हो र ल यस्तै यहाँ हेर्दै राम्ररी अब look at the LHS part. This follows rule A. Is this clear? So we will change both one over here. But in the previous question we had changed only single one. You know, right? So let's start solving. Write it clearly, okay? Because this kind of question needs of it huge space. So write very much clearly, okay? Maintain clarity. Cosec. Oh God, the spelling error, right? Cosec, C-O-S-E-C, cosec. Cosec A. Cosec A plus cot A. Is this clear? And let's change the one. It will be now cosec square A minus cot square A. Because cosec square minus cot square is equal to 1, right? So this is our conversion for 1. And in the numerator part, write the same format. Cosec A plus cot A and minus is as it is, right? So let's change this one also. Now this will be cosec square A minus cot square A. Are you clear up to this? This is very much simple. Now I think you know what to do, right? A square minus B square, A square minus B square. Let's use the formula like we had done it in the previous one, right? So now this will look as cosec A plus cot A, and let's put it inside the bracket, okay? And use this denominator sign and minus, let me clean the board, okay? To some extent, because it is a bit dirty one. Let me create some space. Now it is clear. So now look at here. Now we will write A square minus B square is A plus B, right? A plus B, and next will be A minus B. Is this clear? A plus B, A minus B. A square minus B square. Let me write for this also, as I am taking the red color. A plus B, A minus B. This is for A square minus B square, right? And in the front part we do have minus and cosec A plus cot A. Are you clear? Look at this. This has been copied as it is, and bracket has been used. A square minus B square will be A plus B minus B. Similarly, same in the case for denominator as well. Are you clear? Have I done some error? Oh, there is plus, right? Sorry for the error. Look at here, there is plus sign, right? So there will be plus sign. Even there will be plus sign, okay? Because the question should be followed clearly. Are you clear up to this? This is clear, right? Is it clear? So look at here, something is coming common, right? Look at this. In this part, this will be taken as common, and cosec plus cot is over here, right? So this will be taken as common. In denominator, this and this can be taken as common. Are you clear? Is this clear? So one common is before minus and next one is after minus. Same in case of plus over here. So let's take this as common. Now it will be cosec A plus cot A. This has been taken as common. So look at here. If you take cosec plus cot common from here, what will be left? Only one will be left. So now put big bracket and use 1 for this, right? And the minus sign will be written over here. Is this clear? And in red color, this has been taken as common, right? So only this will be left now. Now it will be use bracket cosec A minus cot A. Are you clear? Don't forget to put the bracket, okay? And in denominator part, look this properly. We do have cosec A plus cot A as common, right? This can be taken as common. So now use big bracket. And look at here, this has already been taken as common. So in front of plus, we will have 1 left. Is this clear? This plus is written over here. And in the red color part, already we have taken this as common, right? So now this will be left. So it will be now cosec A minus cot A. Now you might ask, where is bracket, small bracket? Because after plus sign, no need to put bracket. Is this clear? But bracket is compulsory after minus sign. Is this clear? Now only single step is left. Just open the bracket with the minus. Can you open the bracket? Now it will be, this will be copied same as same it is, right? Copy this as it is. And this all should be copied as it is. And now this will be bracket opened. Now this will be plus, right? I have just jumped the step. I think you can understand it very well, right? So I have just opened the bracket of previous step. Is this clear? I have just opened the bracket. And now this will happen. And look at this, something is again getting cancelled. These two will be cancelled completely. Right? So now we do have only this as left. I think this is our answer, right? Look the question properly. This is our answer. Look at this, right? So this is, copy this again and write RHS. Is clear? As I am lacking space over here, I am giving this task to you. Are you clear about this? Finally, write RHS after copying this again, okay? You can't write RHS directly. I'm just explaining this to you. Are you clear now? Should I explain? Look at here. In this type of question, we are having complex right hand side. So we have to convert this both one. So like here, we converted this one into formula and even this one into formula, right? So we used a square minus b square as a plus b and a minus b. And we just took common and we opened the bracket with minus and just we cancelled the common part, right? And this is our answer. This is very much simple question. Is this clear? Now this is called as magic of 1. Are you clear? So this will be our full format. You are clear, right? So I think you should copy the next question. This is question number 3. And this is a bit different than previous one. Copy the question number 3. It says sine minus cos plus 1, sine plus cos minus 1, and here it is sec plus tan. Have you copied this? Copy the question. Copy the question. Do it faster. While you are copying the question, I think I should rub the board. Just a second, okay? Just copy the question. Or you can copy the question number 4 as well. Question number 3 will take at about a single page. You can estimate the space for it. I am cleaning the board. So copy the question and let me clean the board, okay? And now we will solve our further question. Now can I solve the question? Now let's do question number 3. Question number 3. This is also a very beautiful question, right? So let's do LHS first. LHS says here is our sine theta minus cos theta plus 1, and in the denominator part here is sine theta plus cos theta minus 1, right? And this is our proper question. Is this clear? Now can you tell me, either this will take format A or B, rule A or rule B? It will take none. Because look the question again. Here we have sec and tan, but here we have sine cos. And trust me, this kind of question can't be solved in sine cos. It is very hard to solve in sine cos format directly. You can solve this type of question either in cosec cot or in sec tan format. Are you clear? Look at this question. This is in cosec cot format. Look this is in cot and cosec format, the same one. And look this question. This is in sec tan format. but you can't solve sine cos format directly. Now I'll explain you why. Why, you know, because this one will be written as sine square plus cos square, and a square plus b square can't be written as a plus b minus b, right? Because this one will now be written as a square plus b square format, because sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. There is no minus in the formula, so it can't be solved directly in sine. We must convert it into secant tan. Is this clear? So this question can't be directly solved into sine cos. We have to convert this, right? So I'll explain this to you, and this can be converted into tan and sec by, look at here, you can divide, or let's write language first, dividing, write the language, dividing both numerator and denominator by, you can divide by cos theta. Divide both numerator and denominator by cos theta. I'll explain this to you, don't worry. This is a very simple one. So now this will look as sine theta minus cos theta plus 1. Just few seconds, okay? Sine theta plus cos theta minus 1. Let me use next color. Just a few seconds. Now we can write here cos theta and cos theta. Are you clear? Now this is called dividing both numerator and denominator by cos theta. We can do this, right? Because these two red color can be cancelled easily, and you will obtain LHS in the similar format. So divide both numerator and denominator by cos theta. Is this clear up to this? Now let us distribute this. I'll write to the right part, okay? Now you can write this sine theta by cos theta, right? Is this clear? Minus cos theta by cos theta. Can you guess what I am doing? 1 by cos theta. This is simple, isn't it? I have distributed this cos theta to 3 parts. Sine by cos by cos, 1 by cos. Look at there. And follow the same format in denominator as well. Write this upon sine, and similarly we can write sine theta by cos theta, then cos theta by cos theta, then 1 by cos theta. Are you clear up to this? This is very simple, right? You should write vertically, okay? I am writing horizontally because of his space problem. Is this clear? So this is our next step. And furthermore, you can do, look at here, sine by cos will be tan, right? So it can be written as tan theta. And again, cos by cos will be 1. So let's write 1 over here. Again, 1 plus cos will be, this will be sec, right? So this will be our sec theta. Are you clear? So this is our design of numerator. And in denominator part, you can write sine by cos as tan theta. Very simple, right? So cos by cos will be 1. Is this clear? And 1 by cos will be again sec theta. Now look at this. We have successfully converted question into tan and sec format. Is this clear? So let's arrange this first. Now this can be arranged as tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. And in denominator part it will be tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. This is clear? What have I done? I have just shifted this minus 1 into end part, right? Nothing is new over here. And this plus 1 has been shifted into rightmost part, right? The question is a very easy one, and the format is not so hard. Are you clear? Now we have got our proper LHS. Is this clear? Now this is our question. Now you have to, look at here, tally this with our LHS. Now what rule will this use? Look at clearly. Now the LHS is in the term of tan sec, and even RHS is in the term of tan and sec, right? And look at this, the RHS is very simple. It has numerator only. So now what will we do? We will just change single one of the question. Now we will change just this one only. Just this one will be changed, not both one. Are you clear? You will now just convert this one, not that one of denominator part. Are you clear? So let me rub the board. You can just keep on continuing. Continue the question. Just few seconds, okay? I'm just cleaning the board. And the board cleaning part is very much boring one. And harder also. Just few seconds, okay? Let's do it now. Look at here now. This was our previous step, right? So now we will change only single one of our question. So copy this one. Now we have tan theta plus sec theta minus, right? So one can be written as, so now one can be written as sec square theta minus tan square theta, right? Why this is so? Because the question is from the question is in the form of tan and sec, right? So let's convert the one of numerator only, and in denominator part we do have tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Are you clear? This is very clear, right? So now let's use the formula a square minus b square. So tan theta plus sec theta, this is as it is, minus is as it is, right? So in the right part we do have a plus b, a plus b, right? And a minus b, a minus b. Is it clear? This is now a plus b, a minus b formula. Are you clear about this? So in the denominator part, now we will have the same one is to be copied. And I think you are expert in copying and pasting, right? I have heard so. So look at this. Are you clear up to this? Now similarly, oh, I forgot to do one thing, right? Keep bracket over here. Now look at this. Something is coming common, right? In the left part of minus sign, this can be taken as common. And in the right part of this negative sign, this can be taken as common. So let's take the common, tan theta plus sec theta. This can be taken as common, right? So the write this minus sign over here. In the left part, as we have taken the whole expression as common, we have just one left, right? In the right part, we do have, this is already gone as common. This part is left, and don't forget to use minus and bracket. Is this clear? And in the denominator part, we do have tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Are you clear? This is very simple. Let me clean the board. You are getting this, right? So now copy this one. You can write sec plus tan as well, because in positive sign you can exchange the term. So it will be sec theta plus tan theta. Is this clear? For this one. And just open the bracket. Now it will be 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta, right? Because I have opened the minus sign. Is this clear? And in the denominator part, we will have tan theta. Let me arrange this, okay? You can write this one as first one, right? First term. Is this clear? Let me arrange this first. Just a second. You can write this one in the front part. It will be 1, right? And write this in second part. It will be minus sec theta. And write this in third part. It will be plus tan theta. Are you getting me? I have just arranged the denominator. This plus 1 has been written at the first part. This minus sec is kept minus in the middle as it is. And this tan has been kept at the last part. Is this clear? Now, are you clear this? Are you clear about this? I have just opened this minus. Open this bracket. Yeah, you can do. Those ones who have finished question number 3, they can straightly go to question number 4, okay? Look at here. I have just opened this bracket with minus sign. Now it will be minus sec, minus it will be minus, right? And minus minus will be plus. Is this clear? Now you can clearly see these two can be cancelled, because these are exactly same. Is this clear? Now I think only this part is left, and this will be our right hand side, right? So now our final product will be, now final thing will be, right, sec theta plus tan theta, right? So this is our right hand side. Are you clear about this? This is very simple question, right? A square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b format, right? We have just taken the term common, taken the expression as common, and open the bracket with minus sign. Now the inner parts will be cancelled. Only sec plus tan will be left, and that is our right hand side. Are you clear about this? You are clear, right? So this was our question, right? I think now you are clear. We can't directly solve into sine cos format. So we have to convert it into tan sec. Is this clear? So let's copy question number 4. Now this is very dangerous, right?
Excuse me, sir. We have less than 2 minutes left.
Less than 2 minutes left.
Yes, sir.
So I think you must take this as assignment. So copy the questions, both questions, and try this as your assignment. 4 and 5. And if you have any problem over here, I'll support you in the messenger as well. I'll send you the solutions. So copy these 2 questions as your assignment, right? And practice these questions properly. So if you practice these kinds of question, there will be no problem for magic of 1. Are you clear? So copy these 2 questions as assignment and try it immediately, okay? If you start trying this after a few days, now you'll forget everything. So try this today, immediately after our class is over, and I'll help you in the evening. Are you clear now? So you are clear, right? So if in case of any problem, I'll help you, okay? So this was our 5 questions, and I've sent you this question in messenger as well. So please try to cooperate, okay? So now bye bye everyone.